The Onsite Milling Applications Container is a storage unit used to organize tools that are essential for metalworking and fabrication in the field. This 20-foot long container is equipped with large locking doors for security and stability. A ramp is included for easy entry and movement of equipment. Inside there are two mobile Vidmar cabinets filled with a wide variety of specific tools used for many different jobs. The first mobile cabinet holds screwdrivers and hex keys, wrenches and pliers, files and chisels, ratchets and wire ties, tap and die tools, test indicators, and a radius gauge set. The container holds a large supply of sockets and combo wrenches in many different sizes. The second mobile Vidmar cabinet holds grinding wrenches and sanding wheels, drills and flashlights, and safety accessories like gloves and glasses. The walls of the container provide hanging storage for hammers, extension cords, drop lights, air hoses, and slings. Contact Kipper Tool today for more information.